1, 2, break, 3. Pogi ko.
Alalayan niyo yung printer sa likod ah.
Hindi Korea. Ayos.
Yung printer miss, alalayan sa likod.
Ako na.
Oo.
Okay, so. Table lang. Table card.
Grabe, hindi pa ako nakabihis.
주의를 시작하세요.
Hindi mo yung mga alam dyan.
좌회전입니다. 그리고 운전입니다.
Where's the way here?
Ay, wala pang daan dyan.
Hmm?
Dito na.
English. English si Kuya. Ay, ano kasi Korea eh.
야, 한국 사람이요.
Oh, vlogger pa to ah.
Ito ata yung vlogger eh.
Go.
Oo nga, may camera tago.
Dito.
Uli. Trip pa naman ako mukha ko sa tangan.
좌회전입니다. 그리고
Don't live here?
좌회전입니다.
Kaya ako mausap yan miss.
Wala ko din.
We are 5 Korean driver here.
Okay,
Yeah, we are 5 Korean driver here.
okay.
And we have a community here, around here. Because we have a business here.
좌회전입니다.
Don't live here?
Tsaka tayo lagi ko na napapanood
Vlogger to, vlogger.
Napanood ko sa lagi.
Oh, you go to.
Tsaka
wait,
tayo eh.
Hmm? Oh, we are 5. The other one is the content creator. My friend.
Vlogger to.
Napanood ko ito eh.
Ako rin eh.
Logo, my friend. I told you my friend is a content creator. We are 5 Korean driver. Yeah, my friend.
You can understand Tagalog.
Konti lang.
A little. Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Oh, salamat po.
Di ako masyado marunong Tagalog.
Hmm? Po.
500m 앞에서
Oh,
회전입니다.
야, 학생이에요? 학생, student?
What?
Student?
Yes.
Oh, what the...
Criminal.
Hmm?
No.
What is the...
Mali-mali na sa natin.
What the course?
Course?
Hmm.
I have no course.
No course?
Yes.
Why no course?
Because I have child.
Hmm?
Child.
Child?
Childish.
Ilan taon na ba? 16?
Hindi.
How old are you? How old
12
are
lang
you?
ako.
12 years old.
12 years old.
I have 12.
12 years old?
Yes.
So, you study elementary or high school? Or
High school.
High school? Oh, high school.
I have big.
Hmm?
I have tall.
You're tall?
Yes. 5'9". 5'9".
ka?
500m 앞에서
5'9"?
Yes.
회전입니다.
You can play a basketball.
Yes. I play basketball.
You can dunk.
No.
Hmm?
No.
No?
Because my leg is injured.
Are you injured? 야, 그런데 이름이요. What's your name?
Prince Khalifa.
Hmm?
Prince Khalifa.
Yeah, you. What's your name?
My name is Prince Khalifa.
Hey, you. What's your name?
Nick.
Hmm?
Nick.
Nick.
Nicki Minaj.
Natoy.
Charis.
Hmm?
Natoy.
나토이? 야, 반갑습니다.
Subida.
Yeah, it means nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Just call me Mr. Pot.
Oh, Mr. Pot.
Yeah, last name is Pot.
Last name. Okay.
First
And
name.
first name.
Hmm?
First name.
정수.
Josu what? Josu Pot. Josu Pot.
Jong Supot.
Josu Pot.
Pot 정수. Because in Korea, last name first.
Oo.
Yeah, Jongsu.
Jungsu Pot. You're famous in TikTok
Hmm?
You're
You're
famous
famous
in
in
TikTok and
Oh.
Facebook.
and Facebook.
우회전입니다.
Do you know me?
Yes.
Oh, who am I?
Jongsu Pot.
Yeah, you search it, Jongsu. Put Jongsu.
Your page.
Yeah.
Put Jongsu.
Una kasi apelido dun.
Para hindi ano no? Hindi masagwa pakinggan. Put Jongsu.
In Korea, because in Korea, last name first.
Okay.
I have a business there. You know that building?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a business there inside.
7-Eleven?
Inside.
Inside.
Yeah, third floor. I have a business
Business.
there. Yeah. There.
It is.
Mm.
Balot.
Yeah, my office there inside. You know what is my business?
What?
우회전입니다.
Pogo.
Pogo. Loko to.
Pogo and sugar.
Pogo and sugal.
You know that?
Yes.
타 앞에서
What is that?
Sugal.
차로로
Hmm?
Pogo and sugal.
Sugar.
Sugar!
Sugar. Hello, sugar.
Sugar. You look sugar.
Asukal.
Yeah, sugar. And Pogo.
Ay.
Yeah, here.
Ano to? Vlogger to!
Here lang ang Pogo.
Pogo and sugal.
Yeah. Yeah,
Drinks na lang.
actually, I'm Korean vlogger. Yeah, I am Korean vlogger. We make a video here.
Where your camera?
Hmm?
First, ito here.
Oh yeah, that's my camera.
Hello.
Hello.
Mm.
Hello. Di ako masarap to. Picture.
Sure, but I'm not a famous. I'm not famous. You know me?
Yes, I know you.
Oh yeah, what is the name?
Jongsu.
Pot Jongsu.
What Jongsu?
You're wrong. Jongsu. Yeah, that's my name.
Picture ka na. Go now. Ano bilhin mo yun?
Yeah, we're going to Jollibee. Oh yeah.
Saba.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. What is thank you in Korea? You know.
Sabida.
Oh yeah. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
감사합니다. You watching K-drama?
No.
You don't know? My friend here is driver also, and his name is Jongku.
His brad.
Jongko nun?
Your friend.
Yeah, my friend. Yeah. He's a
Jongku.
content creator. Jongku.
Jongko.
Oh yeah, that's the first name.
우회전입니다.
Jongko.
Bili na tayo.
Last name is Pal.
Jongko Pal.
Pilipino to!
Pal Jongku. In Korea, last name first.
Dapat,
Pal
di ba
Jongku.
pwede dun?
Where?
Para
Oy!
diretso.
Hmm?
Bawal dun.
Where? Jollibee, right?
Yes.
Or go inside here?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh yeah, we can go inside. Wait, huh? And here, go inside here.
Ibababa lang yan.
Baba po kasi
Kahit
namin
dito
yun.
na lang siguro na.
Hmm? I think here is
Here.
it okay? Or yeah, you can go. Yeah. Here.
Here.
Okay, here.
Yun na lang, okay na yan. Okay, tinagalog.
O diba? Pilipino. Diba? Sabi na eh.
Dito na tayo.
Sabi na eh, sa'yo kuya.
It's a prank. Wait lang.
Thank you so
Kilala
much.
niyo ako?
Yes.
Sino ako?
Napapanood ka namin.
Ah, talaga.
Kaya
Ito ako.
nga.
Dali, panoorin
Yun
mo.
lang!
Yan.
Thank you so much. Sabi ni kuya.
Oo. Wait lang, it's a free ride.
Ay! Free ride!
Thank
Talaga
you.
ba?
Oh, free ride kasi. Ay, okay lang ba isama ko sa content ko?
Okay lang.
Oo,
Kuya.
kaway-kaway, dali.
Hello.
Bye!
Tapos, we shout out? Sino shout out?
Shoutout sa nanay ko dyan.
Nagmamadali tayo kasi baka palisin tayo eh.
Babaan nyo na, Mitch.
Baba na natin.
Follow ko lang si Kuya, mapalo ko sa TikTok.
Sa YouTube at saka sa Facebook.
Ba na?
Okay, baba na
Ito ba
natin.
yung ano nyo?
Oh, yan. Pag sinerge mo yan sa YouTube, sa Facebook, lalabas na yan.
Thank you.
Bababa lang namin. Nagmamadali kami guys ha. Yung camera natin. Kilala nyo pala ako. Ano ba yan? Pero masaya pa rin. Ah. Talaga? Tawa kayo ng tawa. Oo. Ayan, mabilis ang drop off kasi kaharang kami sa driveway eh.